Hey everyone! Welcome back to our series on lesser-known tips for general health care. Some of them are really surprising. Yeah, not what you'd expect.
This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
If you're struggling to get a good night's sleep, you may want to try listening to the sound of wild animals. Studies have shown that exposure to natural sounds can help people sleep better and improve their overall health. One study discovered that listeners felt more relaxed after hearing the sound of nature. So if you're having trouble sleeping, think about giving the sound of wild animals a try. We all know that good health is essential. But did you know that massaging your shoulders can really be helpful for your health? That's right. Touch can be therapeutic. Massaging your shoulders can help relieve tension and stiffness, and nourish relaxation. It can also help enhance circulation and boost your immune system, thus improving your overall health. Breathing exercises are a crucial part of Pilates. They help to improve your overall health and wellness, and can also be good for specific conditions like anxiety, asthma, and high blood pressure.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun. So let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.